Today I'm working on cleaning boxes, removing the wax, at least some of the wax. I'm cleaning these frames. I've already got a bunch of them finished here. As you can see, it's clean. This one is actually a new box. I can't see. It's clean. I am cleaning this because of this winter. I forgot to bring in my boxes. As you can see, I got a bunch of broken boxes I got to fix the seasons of catching. I will be documenting my work so far. I haven't documented anything, but this year, as you can see, this is wax moth that really destroyed my hives, removing actually quite a bit of wax that I could have used. So by not bringing your hives, or at least blocking the entrance of your hive with a cloth, I actually use a piece of sponge. Sponge actually works very well. I don't know if I have one here with sponge, because most of mine is now out in the field. When you don't bring your hives in from the field, the wax moths make nests in them and they eat up your wax, as here. And at the same time, if a new hive comes and then doesn't, and tries to if a new swarm comes and they want to live in this hive of yours, they're going to get stuck. They're going to have to remove all of this nasty wire thingies. I guess it's kind of like a silk. They're going to have to remove this. And you will lose a lot of bees. If this is the case, you will lose a lot of bees, because most of them will get stuck on the stickiness. I actually threw it away I actually threw most of them away. And at the same time, let me zoom in. This stickiness, look, that right there, that. Your bees will get stuck on that and they will die. You will lose countless bees. And at the same time, where is this one now? I found it. I think I cleaned it. The wax moth also eats your frame. I think I can find one here. Haha. They dig these nasty holes in your frame. So it's important to oh, here's my dog Moses. Hello, Moses. It's important it's important to close off your hives or bring them in for the winter, because as you can see on these ones, they are quite wear and tear. This is actually what you want when you are not when you don't have how can I say this? When you don't have the season, when the season is over for catching and you haven't caught anything, always keep one or two, but never all of them. If it's possible, bring them in, get them inside, because they're supposed to look like this. As you can see, the bottom one, I still need to repaint these before they go out. In my country, or my time zone, my next season would be September now. So I'm prepping for September, that I can get these hives out and clean and properly coated with a paint. So I still got a lot of work to do. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. This is my first log.